Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are experiencing slow download speeds while using Google Chrome on your Android phone. To fix this, first open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Flags page. Type in Chrome//flags. In this menu, search for Parallel. Now you will see the parallel downloading option. Tap on Default and select Enable. It will now ask you to relaunch Chrome. Tap on this option to restart the browser and wait for it to reopen. Next, head to the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down again and tap on Use Secure DNS. In this menu, select the Choose Another Provider option. From the drop-down, you can select OpenDNS, Cloudflare, or Google. Let's select Cloudflare for now. Now go back to the previous menu. Scroll up and tap on Delete Browsing Data. In this menu, select Cache All Time from the top right corner. Make sure all the options are selected, then tap on Delete Data. Once you've done this, you should experience faster download speeds. If you're still facing problems, make sure you're not using any VPN connections, as they can reduce download speeds. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.